this will be my third and final video of my tutorials on the synth patches I used to do my cover of Metal by Gary Numan. And this one will just be the random, it's like the filtered noise that comes in different parts of the song, like the intro and the outro and the sort of bridge sections. So starting off just like we did with the other videos, we'll just start with the oscillators. And actually we're not going to use the second oscillator, we're only going to use the first, and we're going to use the sort of, that's the white noise wave shape, so it's like a white noise, and it's quite mad, but we're going to make it sound not so crazy in a second, and a bit more effect-like when we move on to the filters. So now we've moved on to the filters, and we're only going to be using the low pass filter for this first piece, because there's two different ways that I use it. So this one, we're just going to set the resonance kind of high, like 7 is good. And then actually what we're going to do is we're going to start it here, but when I play, I'm actually going to well, I'll show you here. So I'll turn the hold up just so I can demonstrate. So I'll hit a note. So what I did there was I manually modulated the filter with just turning the knob, and that created that sort of effect. And that's just what I used at the start of the song. Like, it's just that's just it. It's pretty cool, and it's very simple. So now we're going to move to the second sound, which uses the modulation generator. So for the second sound, we're still using the noise oscillator, and we're gonna actually set the filter to like here. And what I did was I have a really fast triangular modulation here. And as we play through, like when we hit the note, we're going to increase the modulation amount as it gets thing, and then turn it all the way down. So I have the hold on, so if I hit the note, so yeah, so when I'm actually playing the note, when I'm playing it, I have two hands, so I can stop playing, obviously, when it gets up to that peak. But yeah, that's quite, like, that's what I used for the end of the song. That's actually it for all of those bits, like the sound effects parts. And this is now the last video of this series. So this is the last piece of the song that I did on synthesizer. Obviously I had a drum machine, but it was just samples, and I had my bass guitar, but that wouldn't really fit in with this sort of series. So yeah, that's the final video. Thank you for watching if you watched them all.